Yo, yo, yo! Brooklyn in the house. I'm in the kitchen, so I'm doing some laundry and I'm doing some cooking right now for the wife. I'm making some chicken and some yellow rice. We're gonna have a good meal. Well, the purpose that I'm doing this is because there's some people that are asking, how do you become a moderator or how do you put a moderator on in your chat? First of all, I will tell you, I will advise you that it has to be somebody that you trust to follow the guidelines, to keep a real good eye on your chat, and at least someone you know. So, with that said, you go into your YouTube channel, you look under YouTube Studio, then you hit, I believe it's your settings, and then you hit permissions on that box that is gonna come up. Once you do permissions, the first big square box there, that's when you type the person's name, and it might give you a list of different names which you pick from. Make sure you pick the right person. You just don't want to put anybody. Some names are very familiar, some names are multiple. So make sure their emoji or their picture shows up. You select that person, and automatically will take it into the box. Once that's done, if you pick one or two or three or however many you want, you could have a whole bunch of moderators. You could have from 3, 4, up to 10. Don't feel bad about it because not everybody has the same time to be free. So this way, you always have somebody there to back you up. So once you're done with that, you go down to the box and you say save. You hit save, refresh your page or get out of it, and when that person comes into your chat again, into your live, once they make a comment, the square box will show up saying they're moderators in your channel now, and they'll become blue. Once they start doing their chatting with you, they'll know they're moderators unless you let them know. If they want to know. Do ask people. Sometimes some people, they're too overwhelmed, or they just don't want to do it. So always make sure, if you want, go ahead and ask someone first. Extremely easy. Even let's say you're in the chat already on a live, and you see someone that asks to be a mod, and you want them to be a mod, you hover that name, and at the end there's gonna be 3 dots. Once you hit those 3 dots, it will say go to channel, go to whatever, and then one of them is as a manager, moderator, or standard moderator. Make sure you hit standard. That's the regular moderator. You don't want to do a manager. Managing is to control your channel. So go into standard moderator, hit that, close it, and then the person, once they do their next comment, it will become, they get a box with blue letters in it, and they have to close it, and that's it. They're a moderator. They're able to check on your someone that is in your chat, take a look into trolls. They're able to do reports, remove. They're able to do links into your chat. But again, pick someone that you could trust, that you know what they're doing, or teach them, and let them know what you want done on the channel. You might have Nightbot already, but it's always good to have a few extra moderators, because sometimes Nightbot might not pick up on something going on. You do. There's few names that are out there that once you read the name, you know there's something's not right. I always go check on their channel. If there's no subscribers, no videos or nothing, and it's a funny name, goodbye. I don't even bother. I take them out. So if anything, get in touch with me. Jeremy's also one person you could talk to from JNS Adventures. He's also a tech. Also Scott from the Master Drill. And by the way, all three of us plus Cheryl in Christmas Fun Anytime. We do a morning show, 9 a.m. Eastern, from Monday through Friday. Let's get together. So hope to see you then. If any questions, shoot me an email, leave a comment underneath, and I'll get back to you. Enjoy. Until next time, stay out of trouble. I don't have any money for bail. Peace.